What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today's video, I'm going to be bashing my Traxxas Maxx. I am just about to the pit now, and I am going to be sending it. So I do have a surprise for you guys. Something, it's not necessarily new to the channel, but I haven't had it out in a long time, and I got some updates on it. So yeah, I'm going to get the truck out, get things set up, and I will show you guys what is going on. All right, guys, I am here out at my pit. I'm kind of in a hurry here. I'm hoping no one shows up on any dirt bikes. Kind of came out early. It's a little cool. It's not even 50 out yet, so I'm a little worried with the plastic build, but I got the big surprise. You're sitting on it. Boom. I got the mega ramp that I built. Screwed it up completely. Angle is way not good. It doesn't have enough curve in, and then pop to it, it kind of just whoop, goes way up. So when the car hits this, it kind of is going to bottom out. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here. I am going to disassemble this, salvage the 2x4s. I like the width, it's nice and wide. I'll probably mount some wheels on it because I got some stuff in the works, and I might just kind of switch up the design a little bit, maybe use some 1x1s. I'm not sure, I got to look into that. But yeah, I got the Max with me, and I'm gonna fire it up and try to get this jump going, see what happens. Worst case scenario, I still got all my other stuff here. So sun's warming up good. It's supposed to be like around 60, so should start warming up a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it. All right, here we go. I'm up high and I'm ready to fly. Woo, as long as I don't fall down. All right, how you guys think this is gonna go? Well, that's one way of doing it. It didn't send me nearly as far as I thought it would, but it backflipped me pretty good. Oh, it doesn't do much. I'm gonna move it over here, I guess. That was too funny. I messed this up. Plywood is not cheap. So I'm a little mad about it. All right, that should be good. All right. Oh, almost made it. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Yeah! Max is a controllable beast for sure. Yeah! Ooh, big slap, big slap. Oh, landed on the downside, baby. That was dope. Woohoo! I didn't vent the tires. I really wish I would have. Forgot to do that. Woohoo! It's at the perfect spot. So sweet. Oh. That was a good one. Ooh. We are okay. Some rocks over there. Some bumpy monster truck terrain. Ah, cocksucker. All right, let's try to make a ramp out again. Straight a different angle for you on this side. I don't know how I feel about hitting it from over here, to be honest with you. Ooh, good thing that dirt is soft. Almost hit my camera. Yeah, this angle's not as good for me. Woo! That was nice. All right, back on the other side here. Oh! Saved it. That was full throttle. All right, I let it cool down. I made a couple adjustments to the ramp here, and let's see what happens now. Still going on this first battery here, so. Yeehaw! All right, let's see. Whoa! I went straight up that time. Oh, that was a rough one, guys. Yeah, the ramp is no bueno now. The angle's just too much. I tried to fix the run up a little bit, but boom, yeah. No distance with this ramp. It's just totally wrong. I totally screwed it up, which really stinks. But at least this truck is a lot of fun. Yeehaw! Let's do that again. That was fun. Let's try to get more straight this time. Whew, yeah. Send it. Oh. Huh. Man, this truck is a tough little bugger, I tell you. Oh. I don't know what happened there. I got lucky, I guess. Wow, this one battery lasts a good while in this truck. It's so nice not having overheating issues. Oh, there it goes, as soon as I spoke. All right, back for some more action. Dropping in. Yeehaw! Fresh pack, let it cool down. Ooh, I naturally wanted to front flip off of that. Let's try that again, that could be something. Gotta get through the rough, Oof, that was a hard smack. Huh. No. Oof. Huh, it's hard to see down there. Whew, whew. That was a bad one. It's just so rough there. Oh, oh, bumper to bumper. Ow. Dude, so tough. Ooh, you don't want to go to the other side of that. There's water. These dang rocks. That's a pretty good air. It's a pretty good floater there. That was full throttle. Let's get another. Let's try to get some more speed here. I got an idea. Drop in off of this. Woo! Little float ganger. Little floaty bang bang hang. Let's try to find a way to get the most speed here. Let's do this here. Pop it up. Woohoo! Yeah, boo. That was a good one. Okay. Let's go for another one. Woo, yeah. Gotta be careful. Don't want to break her. Oh, got a little bit of a cave body, but no big deal. Oh, yeah, all better. That means we're getting some chassis flex. Let's check it. Looks okay to me. Holy smokes. This is some good airs for such a little truck. All right. Wheel still turn. Ah, I got a bad little pole ski there. Pulled me not to where I wanted to be. I like just a tiny bit of brake and I can just flatten it right out. Brakes are tuned good. Still can't do any flips really off of this jump anyway. Oh, that was a good one. Ah. Let's try the whatchamacallit. Self-right. No work. There it goes. Nope. Not good, not good. I repeat, not good. Well, all right, guys, I found the damage. Nothing major, just swallowed up a spur gear. I don't know, you probably can't really see it in there, but yeah, that's all it is. I think it happened when I did the bad landing, not when I did the self-right, but that's why I never used the self-right, because I just never really thought that that was good for your truck. I was just kind of trying to do it as a joke because I was getting lazy, but as soon as I did it, I could hear it. You can hear that thing, look at it. It's not engaging in there. You could hear it make that noise, but the truck did take a beating off of this thing. I definitely got to work on getting a new jump so we can really try to test these trucks' limits a little bit more and really send it. But for now, this is the best I got. So when I get to that, we get some bad weather this week. I probably can't start it this week, but soon. I definitely, I'm just going to salvage what I got there and just get new new sheet of plywood rather, and just reuse the 2x4s I have there, and maybe not make the top piece so big. I don't know, I gotta figure out. I've learned a bunch of stuff, but I just never went this big, and I totally screwed up the curve. So what are you gonna do? Well, all right, guys, another session is done with the Traxxas Maxx. I thought the truck did great. As you can see in the video there, lots of big sends, flat landings, and all I did was chew up the spur there on that last little bit, so that's not a big issue there. I can get that fixed real easy. I'll probably just wind up upgrading, but yeah, let me know down in the comments your thoughts on this little truck. I've been enjoying it, and I definitely think it's time to make it go a little bit faster and try to send it a little bit more. I got to get my big ramp here all situated up. I'm going to redo it, and then we'll be able to send all my trucks a little bit more. But if you did enjoy this video, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. It really helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.